Welcome to Wellside Force, the channel dedicated to exploring the power of natural remedies. Today, we're going to unlock the secret superpowers of Cordyceps mushrooms. These ancient fungi have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but now modern science is revealing just how powerful they truly are. So, get ready to discover the incredible benefits of Cordyceps and how they can improve your health and well-being. Let's get started. Cordyceps mushrooms are a type of parasitic fungi that grow on the larvae of certain insects, primarily in the high-altitude regions of China, Tibet, and Nepal. They have a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine, where they were prized for their ability to improve energy and vitality. But it's not just folklore. Modern research is now uncovering the true potential of Cordyceps. One of the most exciting areas of research on Cordyceps is its effects on athletic performance. Studies have shown that Cordyceps can improve endurance and exercise performance by increasing the body's ability to use oxygen. This can lead to improved stamina, power, and faster recovery times. But Cordyceps isn't just for athletes. It has potential benefits for everyone. Cordyceps has also been shown to support immune function. Research suggests that the compounds in Cordyceps can help prevent and treat illnesses by strengthening the immune system. This makes it a powerful tool for anyone looking to boost their immunity and stay healthy. In addition to its physical benefits, Cordyceps has been found to have positive effects on the brain, including improvements in memory, focus, and cognitive performance. Therefore, it is a beneficial supplement for individuals seeking to enhance their mental abilities. Cordyceps mushrooms are truly a superfood, with a wide range of potential health benefits. And the best part is that it's available in the form of supplements, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Thanks for coming on this adventure with us. And make sure to subscribe to Wellside Force for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.